Hello YouTube, this is my latest LEGO RC car, and this car can be classified as a race car and a drift car just because you can apply different tires to the back for different performance, and it has a full body on it, so I'll give you guys a 360 view of that. I have this new little turntable which works quite well. It's pretty cool for showing off creations. If you guys would like a separate video on that, just let me know in the comments. And as you can see, it looks pretty awesome with the cool little body on it. And I'll let it come back and then stop it. So, as you can see, it looks pretty cool all the way around. Has some cool little features which I'll go over right now. So, as the replaceable tires, obviously powered by the LEGO Power Functions, and these race tires are the other option, which you can adjust the body to get even bigger tires, however much you want. So that's a cool little feature there. I've got the easy to remove battery box. So you literally do that, and then you can pull out your battery box, and with the rechargeable one, what's nice is you can just leave it in and keep charging it. So that's kind of cool. Put that back on. It also features a XL motor and M motor. This is for steering, for drive, a version 2 receiver, and a rechargeable battery box right here. So show you guys the quick return center steering and drive. Be careful on the small table. I'll go to a more open space and show you some bigger performance. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you guys would like a tutorial, same thing. Just let me know what you guys think of it, and that's pretty much it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Please rate, comment, subscribe, check out my channel and my other videos, and thanks for watching. Bye.